Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk everything beauty, health, lifestyle, hygiene, a little bit of everything. And today I'm bringing you the complete list of hair products every woman needs at home. There's so many hair products in the market that most times you buy and you don't use. Like there's so many. You buy, you don't even need it, you're never going to use it. So today I've narrowed it down for you and I hope that you keep watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. You're welcome back. My name is Vera. Like I said, I'm going to give you the complete list of hair care products that you need at home. You don't need to be dependent on your stylist or go to the salon before your hair looks good. Okay, there's so many products in the market that we buy and we end up not using. But these ones that I'm about to give you, definitely you need them. Like it's very important to have at home. And number one is shampoo and conditioner. Moisturizing conditioner and shampoo is good, especially if you have color in your hair. Like these two that I have. Yeah, this is a moisturizing rinse out conditioner and a cleansing cream shampoo. I love these two products because it saves me time. It saves me time. Like at night when I want to shower, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm done with washing my hair. So you really need these two. Whichever one that works for you. It doesn't need to be this one, and it doesn't even need to be expensive. Just get yourself a good conditioner and shampoo and you're good to go. Then the next thing is leave-in conditioner. One thing that people don't think that this is necessary, because they feel, oh, I've conditioned already in the shower. But this is very crucial because it helps to detangle your hair. This is one that I use. This is one that I use. I started using it when I was in Nigeria, and when I came here, I found out that it was in my local store. So I continued to use it. It's very necessary. It keeps your hair hydrated and it helps for easy styling. And next product is Detangling comb or brush. Whichever one you want, comb or brush is still okay. Even the round brush too is fine. It's just good to remove knots and tangles from your hair without pulling it and dragging and cutting your hair. So this is really a necessity. Okay, get yourself brush or comb, whichever one is fine. Okay, and then the next one is hair oil. Hair oil, this is the one that I really like. This is argan oil. Yeah, you can even use it on your skin too. This is very necessary because it keeps your hair polished and frizz free. Yeah, it also holds a lot of shine and prevents hair from drying. All you need to do is just apply maybe a few drops of this oil and then brush to add softness and shine. Okay, so the next one is your hot air brush. When I say most times you buy hair tools in the market and you don't even need them. Just like I have this, but I haven't used it in a long time. I've not, because you still need the brush, you know, to blow dry and brush at the same time. Why use this when you can use your hot air brush? It does everything in one. It's like 3 in 1. It straightens your hair, it brush as in detangles your hair, and it still dries your hair too. So this is really a necessity. You need this. I'm telling you, to save you time and energy. You don't need the blow dryer. If you have blow dryer, it's fine. It's fine. But if you have this, but to me, this is preferable. Okay. Then the next one on the list is flat iron. Flat iron. This is just mostly to give the hair a smooth and shiny and silky look. Okay, you need this to smooth out the frizz around your hairline. Yeah, and you can also use it to make wave and even coil too. You can use this to coil your hair too. So this is important. It gives the hair a shine, like it makes the hair shine and all of that. So this is also very important. If you also want to, you can also get a coiling tool just like this. But I'm telling you, I don't really use this, except you want like a tighter coils. That's when this is needed. But I haven't used it in a long time. this is what I use if I want to straighten and have that shiny look. Yeah. Then the next one is heat protectant. Oh my god, this one is very important. As long as you're going to have a hot tools, this is very important. You already know I love Cantu products. Yeah, this is their thermal shield heat protectant. You need this because it will help to protect your hair, and it also keep the hair healthy so you can look its best. Just spray it on before you go in with your hot air brush or the flat iron. So this is also a necessity. Then the next one is a flexible hair spray. This is the one that I use. It's just like a finishing touch to any hairstyle. Once you're done, spray this and it keeps your hair neat and good. Yeah, it makes the hair look good. All right. Then the next one, we're almost done, is the wig cap. You need your wig cap. As long as you're going to have a wig, you need the wig cap. This is it. This is the one that I love to use. I have a full and long hair, but once in a while I still wear my wig. And this is what I use to hold my hair down. Like it will hold the hair together. Yeah. You need this because it will also keep your wig in place. Yeah. So get yourself one. Then the next one is the wig. Who doesn't need a wig? I have a long and full hair, but I'm still going with this because it protects your hair and it gives your hair a break. Not all the time you keep pulling and dragging and all of that. Once you have this, once in a while you allow the hair to breathe. It helps the hair to grow back stronger and longer. Okay? Then the next one is shower cap. Who doesn't know what this is for? When you're about to shower, you put this on. It protects your hair, especially if you don't want to wash your hair. This is very important. The last but not the least is our hair net. You wear this at night when you're about to go to bed. You wear this. It protects your hair. Yep. Protects your hair. This is also very important. You guys, all of these lists I've mentioned, if you can have them at home, believe me, it will save you so much time. It will make your life easier, and you don't need to go to the salon all the time. You don't need to, be dependent on your stylist. Yeah, all these things, they're very necessary. You need them for your hair to always be on point. Okay? All right, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. Also, check my description box to see the link to the videos where I showed how to exfoliate your skin and how to use your rice water for fast hair growth. I hope that you all keep being safe, and also show kindness wherever you find yourself. I'll see you guys soon.